Do you have something important to do? Maybe you want to get healthier or exercise consistently or stop eating crappy food. Maybe you want to start taking better care of yourself. Maybe you have an important project or a personal goal you want to achieve, but when it comes to it, you just don't feel like doing it, and you can't understand why. We all want to be better, but sometimes we don't feel like doing the things we need to do to get there. Often we start with good intentions. We are motivated, we are determined, we prepare, we join the gym, we research the diet plan, we sign up for the course, we commit to the project or change, and then we fall at the last hurdle. We fail to follow through, and then we feel guilty, or worse, shame. Our confidence drops, our self-belief shatters. But we rarely focus on that key decision point, that moment when we decide if we're actually going to do that thing we've talked so much about doing. This workshop is designed to help people who want to change behaviours and leverage what's inside of them to reach their goals. My name is Jayson, and I'm a psychologist who specialises in helping people get the important things done. Over the last 9 months, I've helped over 280 individuals with their behaviour change journey while working for a major UK-based weight loss and wellbeing company. Based on what I've learned, my research and my success there, I've put together this workshop. In the workshop, you will learn how to set goals so they help rather than hinder confidence, motivation, and how we feel about doing things. You will learn how our psychological and behavioural habits motivate and demotivate us, and why beating ourselves up about not doing something rarely helps. And you will also learn how to leverage internal motivation in order to feel more motivated and start making progress. So a lot of experts talk about the importance of knowing your why. I'm going to show you how you can leverage it on a daily and a weekly basis to help you change behaviours in a sustainable and empowering way. What will you need on the day? Well, the workshop is designed for people who know what they need and want to do, but are not, for some reason, doing it. For example, maybe you have an exercise or a diet plan, but you're not following through. Maybe you have a big project or a personal goal, but you're not actually doing anything about it. Maybe you have a behaviour you want to stop, but you just don't feel like doing it. All you need to attend the workshop is a goal you want to reach or a behaviour you wish to change. Maybe you have a health behaviour you wish to change around diet or exercise. Maybe you want to get more productive or get cracking on that big personal project you've been putting off. Or maybe you want to finally nail that New Year's resolution. You are also have to bring a mobile phone and a pen and a notebook. We'll be putting it to work. So if you'd like to explore some strategies for when you don't feel like doing something you really should be doing, join us.